Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT, and we're here in my bathroom ready to tackle this hair. If you have not watched my previous natural hair video, go check that out first. So it explains this whole how we got where we are in the state of my natural hair and how we are going to be trying to fix it. So this first video, I'm going to be showing you guys doing my algae, my protein treatment, and then also showing you guys some of the things that I talked about in the other video that I'm going to be doing. So working on getting these edges back on my head. All right, so not gonna be I don't want this to be a long video, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to do this off camera because I have watched routine videos. I'm sorry, y'all, it's really late. I've been working all day. But I am going to be shampooing my hair with this ORS Black Olive Oil Repair 7 Sulfate Free Shampoo. I only got a little bit left, so I need to turn it back upside down. But this is freaking awesome. The first step is called the 2-step protein treatment. Serious care and protection, stops hair breakage, rebuilds hair structure for 6 weeks. And that's what I need. Ideal for processed or natural hair. Instructions say, shake well before use. Gently cleanse hair with algae shampoo for damaged hair. Rinse thoroughly and towel blot. Okay, so one of the most important steps that I'm going to do to be able to work on growing back my edges is scalp massager. So this is a simple shampoo brush here that I got this from Dollar Tree. So of course it was $1. It is very simple and it has the little finger, the hole on top for you to put your finger through. It's very comfortable and the bristles are very nice and soft, and you would think like it's gonna hurt, but it doesn't. It doesn't get tangled with your hair. And I do my whole hair with this when I'm shampooing, because like I said, I don't shampoo very often. I'm not a person who gets buildup on my scalp. So normally the only time I get buildup on my scalp is when I've had my hair, you know, in a protective style for quite some time. So I do this across the whole hair, but this video is about our edges and growing those back. So I'll go ahead and focus that on for you. So I go right in here, even where there's not hair at, that's up in here. We're gonna go and just rotate it in circular motions. And what this is doing is stimulating this area, and it's allowing blood to come to this area. And hopefully if the hair follicles are not dead, we get blood and circulation coming to them, the hair will grow back. So you do this nice and slow. You don't want to be going all kind of, you know, pulling on anything else, and just concentrate in this area. Because the goal is to grow back my edges, I am going to do this for quite some time. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do my whole head with this, just to make sure my scalp is clean. And then I'm going to focus on my edges for probably about maybe 3, 4, 5 minutes, okay? Alright guys, my hair has been thoroughly rinsed out. And oh, that shampoo just gave my hair all kind of life. But as you can see, well, my back is looser. If you have not watched any of my natural hair videos and don't know, I have like 4A hair in the back. All this right here is pretty much 4C. And I have a little bit of 4B. So that's basically type 4 hair, but for the most part, it's 4C. But my hair is definitely very loose. You can see on the ends just how hair is just laying out. This is one good sign you can tell that you need to add some protein to your life, because my hair has no snapback. It's very loose, but that shampoo, I love that freaking shampoo. It has really softened my hair and brought it back to life already. So we're just going to towel blot some of the water out of my hair. And go ahead and get started with this. Cut this off. Apply enough algae treatment to thoroughly saturate your hair and comb blend through with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. Leave hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic cap. And it says sit client under medium heat dryer or high airflow. Alternatively, a hand dryer may be used, but hair should not be agitated while drying. Note, when algae treatment is dried into the hair becomes extremely hard. Do not comb or brush while algae treatment is dried in the hair. Alright guys, it's only been maybe, doesn't take long at all, maybe 5 minutes. It takes a lot less when you have the full one on. But my hair is solid. and you do not want to agitate it, don't want to move it around or anything. And the next step will be re-wetting my hair, so basically rinsing this out thoroughly and moving on to step 2, which is the balancing moisturizer. Alright, hair is back pliable. As you can see, it's not as loose already, and my curls are popping. So we have to balance out all that protein with some moisturizer. So this is step 2. I'm going to put this all over my head and evenly distribute that. And this you only leave on for 2 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave it on for 2 minutes and show you what my hair looks like. And then I'm going to finish off my wash day routine by doing a deep conditioner, which you probably would not have to do a deep conditioner if you was not about to go into a protective style. But because we are not only trying to work on growing, oh, my hair feels so good, work on growing our edges back, we're also protective styling right now. So I always try to set my hair up for to be able to last and stay moisturized. And so I definitely always recommend doing a deep conditioner before you do a protective style, especially if you're going to have it in there for a while. So I'm going ahead and section my hair off. Do you see that? The ends already look better. Already. Yes, protein, yes. Alright guys, I'm in the middle of deep conditioning, and I'm just showing you how I am also doing scalp massages during this process. Anytime that I have an opportunity to do a scalp massage, I'm going to do it. Okay, you guys, I'm not going to show you my deep conditioning routine, but I did want to pop back in real quick and show you guys just how I do a quick trim. I think this is important to go ahead and start off our protective style journey, is to address our ends. Now, the protein treatment did an awesome job at helping with the ends and having me not have so much work to do, because a lot of the ends were still healthy. They just needed a little protein. But I go ahead and just do like a medium-sized twist. I have my hair in 4 quadrants, and that's how I deep condition. And I went ahead and twist that up. And as you can see, it's actually not that bad. My ends are not that bad. So what I'm all going to do is I'm just going to cut off that little piece there, just so my thing can be solid, just so my twist can have all one solid at the end. And that's it. That was very small trim, nothing major. Very big twist. I usually do pretty much 3 sections, 3 or 4 sections each quadrant. So I'm just going to repeat that each quadrant and do that quick trim on each one, and then I'll be back. And I have Jamaican black castor oil already in this bottle. This is oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil. But we'll be back later on to show you how I finish up with that. Alright guys, it's been a long process. As you can see, the shirt is tore up. You see some stuff on my face. I also did my skincare routine. But I owe you guys a lymph check. I said I was going to do a lymph check. And now that we have did a little bit of trimming and everything, my hair feels so awesome. You can see where we're at. So we can also measure if our hair grows any on this journey, the rest of our hair. So this is where we're at on the front, a little under the lip. Almost to the chin, some of the longest pieces. We've seen my edges, but we'll see those again. So we're really trying to grow. And then we'll do a side. This is the hair on the side. So it comes to my collarbone. I'm fat, so you don't see my collarbone, but that's where it is. And that's, sorry y'all, that's some mud mass in my hair, but that comes to my collarbone on this side. And this side is a little shorter, so it doesn't quite reach the collarbone. Okay. And now this back. Oh gosh. Oh, I got all my clothes with it. I really can't tell. It goes down there. I kind of need someone else's help for this. And then the middle. I got so much hair right here. Just to give a reference of how long that is. Alright, once again showing you guys how I'm doing scalp massages at any time that I can. I have my leave-in in my hair, and I'm just adding the O in my moisturizing process to my hair, and I massage that in also. My L and my O is done on my hair. This mixture, I did go ahead and refill it some more. So I put probably about 1.5 ounces of Jamaican black castor oil in here, and then probably about 1.5 ounces of maybe 2 ounces of coconut oil, and then the rest olive oil. So pretty even mixture here, but I do like to have the Jamaican black castor oil right here at this step that I'm on to go ahead and put some on my finger and put it directly on my bald spots. So you don't need a lot of this. This bottle should last you a very long time. Mine is already right here, of course, because I filled up that bottle there. But we're just going to put that on there. And I'm going to put it around my whole edges. And I'm going to massage it in there. You can also, at this time, I know we're talking about edges, but if you want to, you had a spoolie, you can put it on spoolie. Dip the spoolie in the Jamaican black castor oil and put it on your eyebrows. I've always wanted to try to grow my eyebrows, but I am not dedicated to it, so I ain't even about to sit here and play myself. But I am dedicated to these edges. Okay, I can draw my eyebrows. What I can't do is draw these edges. So still how we've been doing before, if you notice, I massage with the, I don't know what you call this. It's a name for it. I can't remember what it is. But that part of my hand, of my nail, well, not the nail, of the finger. Comment down below what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And this is like the 20th scalp massage it has gotten, but I promise you this is what's going to help stimulate growth. So I'm going to come back once this dries a little bit to go ahead and style my hair for how we're going to wear it. I haven't decided how long I'm going to keep these in, so but I have decided that I'm going to be rocking the wig. So I think I want to do maybe every 2 weeks. In doing a deep conditioner and coming in and make sure. We'll see. I'll give you guys more updates as we go. Alright guys, for every protective style that I'm going to do from here on out, you will see me do this. This is basically me separating out my edges in the front and making sure they are not being pulled back into whatever style I'm going to do. You can very much see where I have hair and what I don't have hair. And this is just, like I said, I'm going to do this every time to keep my edges protected. So I'm going to flat twist them. I'm not flat twisting tight at all. I am pointing downwards to let you know that I'm flat twisting towards my face, not pulling back towards my hair, so towards my chin, so there is no tension in pulling back. So I'm just going to let these hang. Sometimes I may connect them, the ends, but sometimes I don't. At this point, I'm going to put the comb down here. I kind of should have put the comb down in when I did the flat twist too. That's the one part of also helping to maintain length on your hair, is not using the comb so much, even if it's a wide tooth, just using your hand to finger detangle and style and all that. So from this point on, I won't be using the comb, and probably when I do my hair next time, I won't use the comb at all for the whole process, detangling at all, because it'll be in a better, softer state. But this time my hair was coming out of protective style and it needed all the help that it can get. So I'm just going to flat twist my hair and I'll show you the finished style. Guys, thanks for rocking with me with this video. It's been a long one, but we are officially finished. I have my hair all flat twisted back. Turn around, let you see it. Jeez. And on these, all I did was do a bantu knot on the end to help keep the moisture in. I don't bantu knot the ones here on my sideburns just because I'm not trying to put any pulling on them at all. I normally just tuck them behind my ear. With the curly wig, they kind of just blend right in. Sometimes you may even see them sticking up my curly wig, and that is it. I would love some suggestions down below. What's a good thing I can put on my hair under my wigs? Because normally I just really just put my wigs right over top of my hair. But I used to do a stocking cap, but I think a stocking cap dries out your hair. I don't know. Let me know. But that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't too long, and we'll be back in be back with occasional updates. You guys did, everyone said monthly updates, so we will do monthly updates for regards to my progress in growing my edges, and I'll get the measuring tape so I can do a better length check for you guys. And yeah, so the other ones probably would not be this long whatsoever, because this one I wanted to show you guys the protein treatment and give you an overall what my plan is to be doing. So I'll probably be back to show you how I re-moisturize my hair while it's in this style, and then when I change up the style in 2 weeks. But it will be monthly updates in regards to actually checking on the edges. If you get what I'm saying, like we'll figure it out, but I will do the monthly updates because that's what you guys requested. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for you guys being so encouraging, and let me know everything's going to be okay, and we're going to grow these edges, and I hope your edges is going to flourish, and your hair is going to grow, and we're going to protect our hair, and it's just going to be, and it's greatness. So that's been your girl. I'm going to bed. Don't forget to live, learn, record, and then share. Smooches.